In this video, I compare Kraken and Coinbase to help you decide which crypto exchange is the best fit for you. I will break down their fees, security, features, and overall user experience based on my own experience using both platforms. And I have been using these platforms for more than 3 years now, so I think I know exactly what is best on both applications. So let's start off with talking about the fees and the costs, which is really important in terms of exchanges. Well, Coinbase has higher fees, and especially for instant buys. And Coinbase Pro offers lower fees, but it's still more expensive than Kraken. So with Coinbase, the normal fees are actually high, and Coinbase Pro can give you low fees, but of course you have to pay for that. So when you want to use it a lot and really frequently, then Coinbase Pro will be a really good fit for you. But Kraken has a more competitive fee structure, making it a better choice for frequent traders as well. And there is no Kraken Pro or anything like this. So the Kraken platform just has this inbuilt. And let's talk about the security and regulations. Well, Kraken and Coinbase exchanges are highly secure and fully regulated in the United States. Kraken has a stronger reputation for security with no major hacks in the history, while Coinbase is insured and publicly traded as well. And also there are no known hacks in the past about Coinbase as well. And let's talk about the user experience and features. Well, Coinbase is beginner friendly with an easy to use interface, making it ideal for newcomers. And Kraken offers more advancing trading tools and lower fees in general, making it better for experienced traders. And let's make a final verdict about Kraken and Coinbase. Well, the best for beginners and the ease of use, I would say Coinbase is the best for you. So if you're new in crypto, then I would say go with Coinbase. And if you want lower fees and more advanced trading and more options and features and stuff like that, then I would say go with Kraken, because then Kraken will suit your preferences best. So in general, both exchanges are great, Kraken and Coinbase, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize ease of use or lower fees. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer, Kraken or Coinbase. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.